You want to have a girlfriend? Is that your little girlfriend, Cassidy? You want to play? She wants to play with Cassidy. Cassidy riding her tail. I'm not ready to play yet. Pretty still sleepy. Just got up. I'm like not a morning person. These are my girls. Now that Ellie has gone home, she was the welcoming committee cruise director. Now Cassidy is taking over. So this is Annie. Her first morning playing. She's playing. Come here, sweetie. Easy. Annie. Hi, Annie. Let me see your face. Annie, come here. Come on, Robin wants to see your face.